Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another fun phonological awareness activity that's super easy and that you can do at home. Let's get started. Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on some beginning sounds again. As you can see, I have two backpack pictures up on my board. Each backpack has a specific picture attached to it. It is all part of our activity, which all the directions and materials can be found in the link below and right on here. Super easy, so you can do this at home. What we're going to do, sort of like what we did last time, is we're going to try and match our beginning sounds to the correct backpack. So this backpack has a dragon on it, a d dragon. So we're looking for d sounds. This backpack has a crayon on it, crayon. So we're looking for sounds that have the k sound at the beginning. Let's see what we can find. The first picture I have is a cow. Where do we think it's going to go? In the backpack that has the d sound or the k sound? Cow. Crayon, you're right. The k sound. Perfect. We're already off to a great start. All right. Our next picture is a domino. Domino. Almost like the pizza. Domino. Crayon or dragon? Domino. Dragon. That's right. Our d sound. We're doing really good. Let's see what's next. Everybody knows what this is. It's a car. It's got the k sound. Dragon. Crayon. Car and crayon. It's going to go in our backpack. Look at this little guy. Now we have a cat. Now, what sound do we hear at the beginning of cat? We hear our k sound, so it goes with our crayon and cow and car. Now, this one shows all our rain, and our rain comes from a cloud. Cloud. See, that is our k sound. Very good. Next, everybody has these in their house. It's a door. Door. Our d sound, our dragon. Door. All right, we see these in our backyard a lot. They're deers. Deer. Our dragon. Our backpack. All right, we've got more. It's a girl before anybody guesses, but it's also a doll. Doll. It's gonna go in our dragon backpack. Oh, now this one, we use it in our hair. It's called a comb. Comb. Where do we think it's gonna go? Comb. Crayon, that's right. Crayon is gonna go in our sounding backpack. These, we like to play these in games. They're called dice. Dice. Dragon, it goes in our sounding backpack. These are really yummy and healthy for us. They're carrots, and they're gonna go in our crayon backpack, our backpack. We're almost done. You guys are doing a great job. So this is, sometimes people call it a jacket, but we can call it a coat. So d or k for coat. It's going to go in our crayon backpack. Ooh, next one. Drums. Drums. Is it going to go in our dragon or our crayon? Dragon. Our drums are going to go with our dragon. Next, we have a cute little duck. Duck. Where do we think this is going to go? Crayon. Dragon. Duck. It's going to go with our dragon for the sound. Okay, we only have 2 left. One of Miss Schwartz's favorite animals is a dog. That's right, dragon in our sounding backpack. Last one. I know this is a favorite for a lot of people, because who doesn't love a good donut? Where is our donut gonna go? Crayon or dragon? Donut. Our dragon. We did it! Look at how much we filled up this backpack. So let's review our backpacks real quick and we'll get a closer look at them. So we have our dragon backpack with the sound. We had dominoes, deer, doll, door, dice, drum, duck, dog, and donut. Awesome job. Let's check our crayon backpack. So we have our k sound, and we have our car, and our cow, and our cloud, and our cat, and our comb, and our coat, and our carrot. You guys did an awesome job helping me with our beginning sound backpacks, and I'm so proud of you. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one, and click the link in the description below and you can give this a try yourself at home. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you later. Bye.